baes, it's Rissa May. Today is Saturday and I just got off work. So spend the Saturday with me, the Saturday afternoon. Let's be productive together because I've got a lot to do. And I need to be productive and I need the motivation to be productive. So let's be productive together. Let's go. I'm back home and the first thing I'm gonna do is change out of my work shirt. So we're gonna try transition. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm gonna go eat lunch because I'm starving. So, let's go. This is what I'm gonna eat. Call me a child, but mac and cheese is the most amazing thing on planet Earth, and I stand by that. This goes in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. Finally! Longest 3.5 minutes of my whole life. People are probably gonna judge me for eating instant mac and cheese, but I tried to cook the other night with like one of those, like they ship you the ingredients and the recipes and you have to make it yourself. I tried that. It took me so freaking long. It was good, but I feel like it wasn't worth it enough to cook again. So I'm in high school. I'm gonna enjoy my time in high school, enjoy my mother's meals, and then when I move out, I'll worry about the rest. But for now, we're eating instant mac and cheese, which is probably what I'll do in college anyways, but it's fine. While I'm eating, let's go over what we have to do today. Are you ready? We have to clean my room. We have to clean the bathroom. We have to vacuum my room. We have to vacuum the stairs, and we have to dust the whole house. Those are my chores. And then we have to film a room tour. And then we have to come up with something else to film. I don't remember what I was gonna film. So yeah. And then I have math homework and English homework that I have to do. So yeah, that's all we got to do today. I'm wearing ponytails in like every single one of my videos. I promise I don't wear ponytails that often. Like as I say, as I'm wearing a ponytail right now, but like I do have ponytails, just not that much. That's a lie. That's false. I love ponytails that much to wear one every single day. Honestly, I think ponytails should be back in style and not be stereotyped as something that lesbians wear. I'm not a lesbian, but I just love ponytails. It keeps my hair out of my face and it's comfortable. It doesn't give me a headache. So 10 out of 10 recommend. Let's bring ponytails back in the year 2022. Also, another thing about ponytails, we're back to ponytails. You can never not make a ponytail look good. Like a messy bun, if you saw at the beginning of my 2022 goals video, I had a bun and I was like, oh, it looks so cute. And then I sat down to film and I was like, this thing is insane. So I had to take it out. So I just wore a ponytail and it looked great. It's hard to make a ponytail look bad. Just saying. She needs some milk. My dog's staring at me like I'm a crazy person. You are correct. I forgot to mention that I have to do laundry too, so let's go do that. Okay, next thing I have to do is spray down the bathroom. We have this stuff. It's tub and tile 2X, I don't know. But basically you leave it on for 15 minutes and it's supposed to get away like hard stains and stuff. So yeah, but first I gotta clean off the counter. This is a pile of already clean clothes from last week. I just haven't folded them yet, so need to do that. And here's my My new pile.
Got the kick.
The timer went off, which means it's time to clean the bathroom. Well, I hope you can see me because I can't use my watch anymore because it's dead. So, I finished cleaning my room and we're running out of daylight, so I'm just gonna straighten my hair or some pieces of my hair so that I can film the room tour real quick. And I'm not gonna vacuum my room either. Like, you can't really tell that it needs to be vacuumed, but it does need to be vacuumed, but you can't tell. Cleaning the bathroom took a lot longer than I thought it was going to, so we're gonna have to make do with the time that we've got. I also need to clean up my makeup a little bit because she's looking a little rough. Guys, I'm going to Sweethearts with this guy, right? And I texted him yesterday and asked what his favorite restaurant was because we need ideas for where to go to dinner, right? And he hasn't answered. And I'm like, bro, doesn't take that long. Shouldn't take that long to answer. Like, I don't get why guys take so freaking long to answer. Literally, it takes 2 seconds, especially if it's a text message. It literally takes 2 seconds out of your day. There's no way you're busy 24/7 that you can't answer a freaking text message. Like, I just don't understand. But literally every guy that I've gone out with, except maybe one, has been like that, where they take like a day to respond, and I'm like, seriously? Like, there's not 2 minutes out of those 6 hours that you didn't respond that you could have taken 2 minutes out of your day to respond to me. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. Because I'm busy all the time, but I still have time to answer texts and stuff. Like, I don't understand. I should really just stop telling date stories. Because what if the guys that I go on these dates with actually watch these and they're like, oh my gosh, that was me, probably. And then they just hear me complaining about them. That would be interesting. So I just finished recording my room tour. I think it went okay. I don't know. We'll see when I edit it. But I'm going to go eat dinner because it's 6 o'clock right now. Also, my watch is very much dead. So that's cool. But I'm going to go eat dinner. And then after, I'm going to do some math homework. So that's so exciting for me. I don't know. I might vacuum tonight we'll see, because it really needs it. But I'm not going to do any of my other chores because I've taken up way too much of the day cleaning my room and cleaning the bathroom. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to go eat dinner. Look who crashed on the couch downstairs. Okay, sorry the lighting is a little weird. It's like pitch black outside. It's like 6 o'clock. But I'm about to eat dinner. I also changed my hat because I liked this one better. But I'm gonna eat beets for dinner. And if you think I'm crazy for just eating beets, one, they're vegetables, so it doesn't matter. They're good for you anyways. And two, they're freaking delicious. So, we got a new can opener. I'm not gonna know how to use this. Our old can opener, I would always do the wrong side up. And I would end up like opening it this way. So yeah, because I'm a lefty. So let's see if I do this right. I think I'm already doing it wrong. Yep. It's leaking now. So we're gonna do it this way. There we go. Also, I've been home alone all day. No idea where my family is, so that's cool. Hope they're not dead. You know, for a girl with anxiety, you think I would worry about these things, but I don't think about them until it's to the point where it might be too late to save them. Anyways. And I do have the power to check where they are because we always have each other's location. I need to clean this. Do you guys wash can openers every time you use them? I'm gonna put it in the sink just in case. No, I have a lot of questions for adults. One of them is, do you wash a can opener every time you use it? By the way, remember when I was complaining about that guy that wouldn't answer? Yeah, he answered. Oh, I got a sliver. Great, it's probably from the can. Oh dear. The next thing you do is you just plop them on a plate. And then they're looking like this. It looks like a lot, but one, I'm hungry, and two, I do eat a lot. So, you know what, another thing I don't understand is the brains of men. Or anybody besides me. I don't know, because I'm somebody that's like, if I'm excited for something and I'm able to do it that day, then I do it. I don't wait around unless I don't have time to do it that day. Then I'm fine. But if I have time to do it that day, then I do it. It looks like worms, but I'm gonna eat it. You know what? I hate people watching me eat. And I just thought about this. That you guys have basically been watching me eat all day. So, you're done. Okay. I'm in the basement now. And I'm gonna do some homework. Didn't I bring it out here? I swear I brought it out here. Uno momento. It was still in the exact same spot that I left it. So, my family still isn't home, by the way. No idea where they are. Still haven't looked at their locations. So that's cool. I'm guessing my brother is at work. But I'm pretty sure they close at 5. So, I don't know for sure. But anyways, I need to finish 2 assignments. I'm already halfway done with one of them. But my goal is to just finish the one that I'm on. Maybe do a few problems in the last one, depending on how many questions there are. The test is on Monday. So, yeah. I had to go upstairs to check and see what they were barking at. There was nothing there. But I don't regret it because she followed me downstairs and now we're cuddling. Oh. You cuddly bug. Come here, you cuddly bug. Oh. This is like rare footage of her. Oh. Okay. She's laying on my legs now. I can see her tail. Anyways, now I can get back to doing my homework. So I didn't finish my homework, but that's okay. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow, so we're all good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow my Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see y'all later. Peace!